morning, good morning, good morning. So back at it again. Today is a little bit different. Not going to a car show, not going to a Cars and Coffee. I'm actually at my buddy Josh's shop, Altered Components. He is about to do some installations for me. I know that I can do it, but like I always tell everybody, I support small business. So at the same time, I get him exposed, I get me some content, and I hope you guys like it. So let's get to it. Let's meet Josh. Let's look at the shop, and we go from there. So there's a reason why you just saw Josh leaving, is because this install is actually crazy. I'm gonna say it nicely. I'm gonna say crazy because it's going on YouTube. BAF Motorsport, well, BAF, they're the ones that I purchased this K-brace from that we're trying to put in. It doesn't go in the way it should go in. The pictures are horrible. The instructions are even worse online. I would say that if you took 10 more minutes, 15 more minutes of just making sure things work the way they should, because right now, let me go back here so you can see. And I got to do it this way because I don't want to flip the camera around. So this bracket here, it's twisted. As in this one over here, it's twisted as well. So you got to go from there. But needless to say, it's not fitting the way it should be. But Josh is on the way to get some parts, and we'll see what goes on with it. Hey, what's good, everybody? It's the next day. It's Sunday. So as you can see right here, Josh did an amazing job. I can't thank him enough. I appreciate you, Josh. Thank you for taking the time and doing what needed to be done to have your attention to detail and your OCD-ness of making things perfect, because he knows that I'm a perfectionist and he's a perfectionist. I truly appreciate it. It came out amazing, like I just said. It handled great. It did stiffen the body up when I was coming home, because I did have to test it out a little bit. But nevertheless, thank you again. I truly appreciate it. For everybody looking, look up Josh, Altered Components on IG, Altered Components on Facebook. His link is down below in the paragraph. And please, again, like and subscribe to my video, to my channel, and I'm gonna do more. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next adventure.